create an account in Clapper app. So to create an account, just go on the profile button in the bottom right and then just tap sign up. Then you have 4 options here. You can use your phone number, so all countries are available, and then receive the code. You can use Facebook, Google, or Apple. Basically, I would suggest you to start with Google or Apple, because some people are saying that right now, while this app is going viral, like if you use your phone number, it's just not gonna work. So that's just where it is. So don't use your phone number. Try to use like Apple, for example. And then for me, if you just confirm with Face ID, it kind of works. So then it just kind of works fine. And there you have it. Seems to work. So yeah, as you can see, that's where it is. Yeah, now you can just use it again, and yeah, there you have it. So that's where it is. And now, yeah, I was able to successfully create my account. However, again, some people say that they just can't do it, that breaks, or they see this annoying error like, oops, something went wrong. So, well, just try again in a few hours, or try to create your account not on the weekend, or try to do it in the very early morning, not US time. So, I mean, a lot of users on this app are from US, and this app, I noticed, becomes really glitchy when you try to use it during like starting from 3 p.m. of Eastern time in US. Then this app starts to be super laggy and you can create your account. By the way, feel free to use my my referral code. So here I have my creator space. So I have this code, ClapperVIP/Andrew. So you can create my account via your account via this code, and then I can get some bonuses. I guess you can get some bonuses. So yep, there it is.